welcome to another video. I am going to be making something that is all over the internet, and that is TikTok food hack. And you say it's over the internet, but it's also in my house, as I got an 11-year-old at the weekend. God, sounds like I literally went and got one. My own daughter turned 11, so TikTok is a massive thing in our house. As she's trying to teach, she was teaching her granddad dances at the weekend as well, which is quite funny. But I'm all about food, I have to say, and this one is one that I've got some of these left, which if you look back on previous videos, we actually got in our snack surprise box, and we hadn't finished them, so I was like, right, Cheetos. They are a TikTok hack with covering things with Cheetos, and I've got about, I think, a quarter of a bag left, maybe. So rather than doing just normal little chicken nuggets, I'm going to be remaking a KFC / Popeye chicken favourite, which is just some chicken drumsticks covered in these, because I love chicken on the bone. Chicken breast obviously is a lot leaner and healthier, but these are really, really tasty. So first off, I've got some, and also the best part of this recipe, 3 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, just 3, because all the flavour is in here. Because I'm using the chicken legs, they've already got some fat within the meat, so the tray doesn't even need to be greased if you use a non-stick tray. And some plain flour, because I want it to stick to the chicken, so I'm going to add flour to these when they're crushed up to make even more of a coating. So what I'm going to do first is really easy. Do you know what? I'm not even going to get my hands dirty doing this, because that's the other thing about TikTok hacks, is they seem really involved. Some of them seem really messy. Some of them are probably a load of fun being able to really get your hands in there, but I'm not into that. So I'm just going to crush these up in the bag, which is even better. That that's going to be so noisy. You probably can't hear me. Man, that's satisfying. So this is a great recipe to do if you've been having a bit of a stressful day. This is almost as good as popping bubble wrap. Listen. And you can leave slightly bigger chunks. You can feel where the big chunks are and just pop them all. And you can really just bang it. You could squeeze and scrunch it. But the idea is when you finish, you've got just a powder. So there's still loads of big sticks left. You could use this in a food processor, in a blender or something, but this is loads of fun. Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. This is a bit quicker. Let's speed up through this stuff. Okay, and then when you can shake the bag, and if you shake it, you can see where the big chunks still are. And how much is powder, so you can crunch those bits. And the beauty about using Cheetos is it's already got all that seasoning in, so you don't need to go and get loads of different seasonings. And these particular ones were ketchup flavour, so this is almost like a pizza-y chicken, because when they're cooked, you can, if you want to, you can put some oregano on the top, with basil, or serve it with a salad. So okay, and they're really satisfying to crunch because they are so full of air, it's like popping them. So, and then when that's done, I'm just going to throw in the flour, because it's all going to be done in this bag. So you've got to shake, really mix it up. Okay, so that's all combined. You're just going to chuck in your chicken. So I'm going to just probably do it one at a time. Yeah, let's do it one at a time. Let's just do it one at a time. So then, again, shake up the bag. It's really noisy, but I'm going to hold the chicken and shake it around it a bit so it gets a really good coating. I'm going to get it everywhere. And then you can just, when that's done, take it up, lift it out, and drop it. Oh my gosh, this is really not messy. Here we go. Grab hold of it properly ta-da, and then place it on the pan. And then the next one in. So this is, my packet of chicken legs had an extra one in. I thought I was buying a packet of 4, but I actually had 5 in. Just keep them by weight, so you can see a little. So then you just carry on and go all the way through those. And that's not very good. And I have actually taken the skin off, I forgot to mention. You could leave the skin on if you wanted to, but for the health benefits and not consuming the extra fat, I've, to make them a little bit healthier, taken off the skin, which is really easy to do. You literally find a space in between the thigh and the skin and pull it off. So this is so easy and completely, as you see, should be mess free. I did drop the bag, but nothing came out. It is so easy. Even the kids can get involved in this. My girls are going to freak when they see that I'm doing Tik-Tok food. It's not massively coated, I will say that. If you want to, then what you could do is give them a couple more coats. Dip them into an egg mix. Mix them into, dip them into an egg first so it really sticks to it, and then just coat it. So I really am going for the lazy girl. No, the busy girls guide to cooking. Which basically all are. Everyone's busy. And there's another one. See, some of them got some really lovely big chunks on. They're going to cook so delicious. And then when these are all done, they're going to go into an oven on Fahrenheit 375, I remember, and 190 degrees or gas mat 6 for 40 minutes. And then when they're done, which for you guys is going to be in literally a few seconds, then we will see how delicious and crunchy they are. So I'm just going to put last 2 on one. Wow, that's got some lovely big chunks in. And I don't know if I can fit that one on my tray, to be honest. Are you going to fit on? Yeah. Make room, make room. Okay. Last one. There we go. So, last one. But you could, if you were doing this with chicken breast or trying to make nuggets, you could just chop some up and then put again and stick them into the bag. However, when you've finished, make sure you discard what's in the bag because it's hard to so you can't use it. I am really thrifty, and if there was loads left, I would probably put it in a tub and freeze it. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. So make sure if you do that, you hold on to the bag. That was a mess. It's kind of going everywhere now. Whoopsie daisy. So last one, but that got the best coating. And then I'm just going to go again sometimes and sprinkle some over the top as well. There we go. Could have crushed these up a little bit better. Could have. Some of them aren't that small, but that's okay. It's going to give a really good texture. So last bit in there. So I'm now going to go and pop these. I'm going to pop these into an oven now, and they're going to be on, as I said before, 365 Fahrenheit, 190 degrees or gas mat 6, and for 40 minutes. I will see you in a second. So they are out of the oven. That was 40 minutes. And I use my meat thermometer to check that they are cooked inside. So chicken is cooked at, I like to make sure it's cooked at 89 degrees. And these here now are, you can see they're going to think of the words then, because they look so yummy. And they smell delicious, and I've got like that crispy coating on. And they're so hot. They're really hot, but they're really juicy inside. You can see they're not dried out. But if you just, I'm going to give a taste test. Oh, really hot. Yeah, it's really juicy chicken. But really crispy on the outside. You can see the Cheetos have made like a really lovely crust. So I think that is turning a what is a TikTok hack, and my kids are absolutely obsessed with it in Cheetos at the moment, into something you could say is not even fine dining, but it's passable. I would serve this at a, you know, a nice family meal. So anyway, that has been our TikTok life hack and food Cheeto chicken, 3 ingredients, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment. How are you going to use TikTok to improve your kitchen skills? And I will see you in the next video. Bye.